Hello friends, welcome back to this session. So guys, today's session we're going to see how to check the licensing information on integration server. Okay, so this is a localhost 5557. This is my integration server. Okay, so click on server option. First log in your admin page, click on server option, and once you click on the licensing option, here guys you can see the licensing details. Okay, all the information like clustering, publish, subscribe, adapter runtime, remote invoke, many more, and also microservices not available. So that case also you can check this is enable or disable. After that you need to click on the licensing details option. Okay, so once you click on that particular licensing details option, here, the sales information, product information. In sell, like sales information, you can see serial number. Okay, license, like license key, customer ID, customer name. So the customer name here, the software is integration V10.15 free trial in until November 15, 2023. So this is a free trial I downloaded. That's why this is information you can see here. But in your case, you are working on your live project. Your client providing the licenses key handed it to you in your project. So that case, you can see the another customer name on that particular column. Also contract detail you can check like contract POS number, license type details, auto call home, and in product information, you can check the expiration date. This is 15th 11 2023 operating system, product code, product ID, product name. Okay, all the information you can check. Integration server details also, licensing informations. You can check trading network and Terracotta licensing details. I cannot like I didn't install the Terracotta, that's why it's not showing the details here. Okay, let me show you the big memory. It means it's showing a no here. Okay, so that's all about today's demonstration. We'll come up with a new session very soon. Till the time, stay happy, stay connected, and guys, if you are new in my channel, so please hit the subscribe, like, share, and comment. Thank you. Have a great day.